Hello YouTube. Today gonna show you how to or free download of Skin Creator. I'm gonna show you what is the Skin Creator app. Mm, Here. Well, I'll go and if you want to create an here and skin like that, just create new, then type your name or anything that you want to be named, and just click create. Then when it create an example of that, just click it. Then you click it. When you want to edit it, you can rotate it just like that. Well, if you want to edit it, just click the character, and if you want to edit the bob every spot and like that, and you want to edit that. Example of we will edit the front of the character. You see the front character. Just hit that to be a finish of that, then save. Then you save, you will see that. Then create again. Create again. That's all. And don't forget to subscribe and like. And thanks for watching.